Hello, how you guys doing? We're on the approach trail. We were going to do the whole approach trail up to Springer Mountain, but we had this weather come in and the roads are closed. I mean, they get 2 inches of snow here, they freak out. So we can't get up, but the winds are like 50 miles an hour. So we're doing a mile and a half of the approach trail back to the lodge. And then tomorrow I'll start from the lodge and head up. So it'll kind of change the plans a little bit, but it'll be good. Here's the lodge. It's very, very windy. This ain't 50-mile winds today, so definitely stay here tonight.